Welcome, Vishal ji. We'll be recording this session so that we can share with it with all the participants. Okay. My request to everybody would be कि आप जब नहीं बोल रहे तो प्लीज अपने अपने माइक्स को आप म्यूट कर दीजिए प्लीज. Yes, I am speaking right now. So let others join as well, and then we'll move forward with the session. So in this part, we are going to talk about the lead generation system. So just want to know from all of you, what lead generation system do you have in place right now for your business? और यहाँ पर तो हम लोग बातचीत भी कर सकते हैं आराम से, so don't worry, don't hesitate. Just unmute and share your views. Okay, we'll continue with the session. यहाँ पर मेरा रिकमेंडेशन ये रहेगा कि प्लीज आप मुझे वॉइस नोट पे दीजिए, बिकॉज जब मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ और जब मैं प्रेजेंटेशन के स्क्रीन पे हूँ तो मुझे आपके मैसेजेस चेक नहीं कर पाता हूँ. सो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट एंड रिकमेंडेशन ये रहेगा कि जब भी मैं कोई चीज पूछूं तो प्लीज आंसर इट इनटू द वॉइस. So we'll begin with the session till the time other people will join in. जो भी join करना चाहेंगे या जो भी आ सकते हैं on the Skype, they would join in. Okay, so let's begin with the lead generation system. So this is the question that most of us as a business owner have in our business. Deal closed. Where will I find my next one? How many of us have this question? Deal closed. Where do I find my next one?
I have.
Do we have this question in our business? Yes, no, maybe.
Yes.
So today we are going to see where to find those deals. So 12 main ways to generate leads for your business. So these are the 12 main ways to generate leads for your business: direct marketing, print ads, digital marketing, your website, other media, events, online and on-site advertising, community advertising, industry websites, referrals, vendors and affiliates, employees. These are the 12 main ways. और मैंने आप लोगों के साथ एक book share की है, that is 31 best ways to market your business. I have shared that book with you. So there are another 31 best ways to market your business. But these are the main heads of generating leads for your business. What are the current systems you are using? What are the current media you are using to generate leads for your business?
Digital marketing and referrals.
Digital marketing and referrals. Okay. Got it. Got it, Mustafa bhai, but you can speak in here as well so that I can also know who all are here and who all can, we can have a good conversation. So these are the contents. These are the contents that you need to carry on. Just give me a second, please. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for the interruption. So 12 main ways to generate leads for your business: direct marketing, print ads, digital marketing, your website, other media, events, on-site advertisement, community advertisement, industry websites, referrals, vendors and affiliates, employees. So ये 12 तरीके हैं जिससे हम लोग रेगुलर लीड्स जनरेट कर सकते हैं. But now let's see how to generate leads. Now this is the content that we must think about when we want to generate leads. By the way, how many of us have a website for our business?
I have.
Okay,
I don't have, but soon we'll have.
got it. ठीक है, तो उस वेबसाइट के ऊपर जब कोई आता है तो do you have something that they can download for free?
Not yet.
Okay, so हुसैन भाई के पास तो फिलहाल वेबसाइट ही नहीं है, so we can't talk about that. And Mustafa bhai and other people are also live, so would like to know from them as well. Okay, so अगर हमारे पास वेबसाइट है और अगर उसके ऊपर कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो लोग फ्री में डाउनलोड कर सके, तो हमारे पास में इफेक्टिव लीड जनरेशन सिस्टम नहीं है. बिकॉज लोग हमारी वेबसाइट पे विजिट तो कर रहे हैं पर वो अपना डेटा छोड़ के नहीं जा रहे हैं. और अगर डेटा नहीं दे रहे हैं तो हाउ विल यू कनेक्ट विद देम, हाउ विल यू नर्चर देम? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू एग्री विद दिस?
Yes, it's a good way of giving value so that the person is interested in connecting.
Exactly. So most of the time when we also to see the websites, तो ये सारी चीजें available नहीं होती है. तो for your website to be converted into a lead generation machine, or you really want to generate leads, you need to have white papers, ebooks, text, brochure, case studies, images or videos that people can download from your website by giving their data to you, giving their details so that you can connect with them on later stages. So these are the main content areas that you must have on your business, on your website. So plan it, because यही आपको lead generate करके देगी. Now, most of the time, we have seen that people use social media and everything, and they say DM. But DM के ऊपर क्या आपका automation set है? Do you have an automation set on your DM? जहाँ पर सारे ऑटो रेस्पॉन्डर और सारी चीज और सारे लोगों को नर्चरिंग वगैरह सारी चीज होती रहे. Do you have a system in place जो आपके सारे DMs को मॉनिटर कर सके, ट्रैक कर सके? Most of us don't have. Yes or no?
I don't have.
Correct. So हमारे जो सिस्टम है, लीड मैग्नेट जो है, लीड मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है, तो सबसे पहले हमको चाहिए लीड मैग्नेट. तो लीड मैग्नेट ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, ई बुक्स भी हो सकती है, अलग अलग कोर्सेज भी हो सकता है. So lead magnet, सबसे पहले तो lead magnet, so that you give value upfront to the participant or to the people visiting your website, and you in return you get their information. And when you get their information, what do? You start selling.
No.
You nurture them by providing value to them by different means, sharing your blogs with them, sharing content with them, sharing emails with them on regular basis with the update in the industry and all. So these are few of the things you need to consider while building your lead management system. Now, contents. What content do you want to use for your in your communication? So as I said, it's going to be workshop and we are going to do a lot of activities. So I want you to do this activity as well. What content do you want to use in your communication? Brochure आप दोगे, क्या दोगे? Blogs आप share करोगे, brochure share करोगे, e-book share करोगे. What is it that you are going to share with them?
I have been sharing videos till now.
Okay, and how you do that?
There is no automated system. I mean, wherever I am able to reach, the videos are available on the YouTube channel. There is a YouTube channel with the same name. On Facebook also, I've uploaded the same videos.
Okay.
On website also, they can find the video links. Yes.
Got it. But we need to have an automated system for that. You can use Mailchimp शुरुआत के लिए, या SendGrid शुरुआत के लिए, जहां पर आप उनको रेगुलर एक what you can say, regularly you can share those things with your audience. जैसे अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा तो आपने इस वेबिनार के अंदर भी आपको काफी.
Yes, I was using a free version. I started using Mailchimp in the starting. I think it was 2 years back or something, but the mails used to go to the promotions folder, and somehow it was not very effective.
Most of the time it will go on into the your update or promotion folder. But again, अगर आप 10,000 एग्जाम्पल के लिए 10,000 ईमेल आप कर रहे हो और 10,000 में से आपके 100 लोग भी ईमेल रीड कर रहे हो, 100 में से 10 लोग भी एक्शन ले रहे हैं, तो एवरी टाइम व्हेन यू आर डूइंग समथिंग 10 people are reconnecting to your business.
Okay.
Getting my point. So every time you share an email, there is 1% of the audience that click your emails and 1% of the audience that are willing to take action on your email. So 1% is enough. अगर डेली का 1% अगर आपका होता है तो महीने का कितना परसेंट होता है? If you are converting 1% daily, what percentage you are converting in a month? It's 30%.
Yes.
And what is the percentage you are converting in a year? 365%.
I'm not sure whether this is the right way of calculating or not.
चलो हम लोग 365% नहीं पकड़ते हैं, हम लोग उसका आधा परसेंट पकड़ते हैं, 50%। तो भी कितना हुआ? ऑलमोस्ट 150%। चलिए हम
Yes.
150% भी नहीं लेते हैं, हम लोग 75% लेते हैं on the safer side. But your business is 75% increased by that activity, isn't it?
Yes,
Zero
for
से तो
sure.
बेहतर है।
Yes, for sure there is going to be difference. No doubt about it.
Right. So what is second thing is, first thing is what content do you want to use in your communication? So what we do is we use checklists, we use webinars, we use ebooks, we use templates, we use DIY things. These are the few of the things that we use. Now, what is the context of your communication? It's very important कि आपका communication का context क्या है, because context के behalf पे decide होगा कि किस तरह का communication जाएगा। आप उनको sell कुछ करना या आपको sell करना चाहते हैं, या आप उनको nurture करना चाहते हैं, या you want to provide some kind of a value. What is the context of the communication? Okay, then what content do you need for which channels? अच्छा, सारी चीजों के लिए सिमिलर कंटेंट जाएगा क्या? एक ही जैसा कंटेंट सभी जगह जाएगा क्या? यस, सभी जगह जाएगा।
I think it can be different for different platforms.
एक सेकंड। हाँ, ओके जी विशाल जी, सॉरी एक क्यूरी आ गई थी बीच में। पीपल आर अनेबल टू जॉइन द स्काइप, सो जस्ट गिविंग देम द एडवाइस। आप कुछ बोल रहे थे, कैन यू रिपीट दैट प्लीज?
I was just saying that it can be different for different platforms, I feel.
Got it. And it needs to be different for different platforms. You cannot use similar. अब LinkedIn के ऊपर जो जाएगा वो शायद आपका ईमेल के अंदर जाए, वो जरूरी नहीं है। ईमेल के अंदर जो जाएगा वो LinkedIn के ऊपर जाए, वो जरूरी नहीं है। So we need to design and define which content is going to work for which channel. Now these are the channels: social media, web, social and web advertising. एक होता है organic, social media, that is organic. Then social and web advertising, newsletters and direct email marketing, corporate blogs, extranet, intranet, and website. These are few of the channels that you must consider in your business. Are you guys with me so far?
Yes.
So एक चैनल से कुछ नहीं होगा, हमको मल्टीपल चैनल्स पे, मल्टीपल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे, मल्टीपल जगह पे काम करना पड़ेगा। तब जाके हमारा जो सिस्टम है वो प्रॉपर्ली वर्कआउट करेगा। तब जाके हमारा जो लीड मैग्नेट सिस्टम है, जो लीड मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम है, वो प्रॉपर्ली वर्कआउट करेगा। बाय द वे, वन थिंग दैट आई honestly and highly recommend is having a CRM for your business. कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट आप यूज कर सकते हैं, फ्री वाले भी यूज कर सकते हैं। देयर बिट्रिक्स 24 करके एक CRM है, यू कैन यूज इट। Zoho CRM है, यू कैन यूज इट, बट यूज अ CRM टू फॉर योर बिजनेस, because that will give you insight of how your business is managed कौन कब क्या कहाँ काम कर रहा है, that will give you a good freedom to choose what activity you want to do and what activity you want to delegate. Okay, so these are the channels that you must consider while thinking about lead generation system. Now, what one action you are going to take immediately based on the answers of the above question? क्या एक एक्शन आप immediately लेने वाले हो?
The ebook that you told about seems to be a good way of getting the leads, especially from website or somewhere. So I
Got
think
it.
I'm going to work on it.
Great. Hussain bhai, no comments from you? What one action you are going to take?
I just want to automate the marketing process. I do it all on myself, so I'm just looking for to make it a bit automatic.
हाँ, तो बिट ऑटोमेटिक से मतलब क्या है आपका? क्या चीज ऑटोमेट, मतलब पोस्टिंग आपकी ऑटोमेट हो जानी चाहिए या व्हाट इज इट दैट यू वांट टू डू ऑटोमेट? बी क्लियर अबाउट इट.
Might be if my replies are automated, it can make it easy because I have to reply every time, so it takes a time.
ओके, तो वो तो आप फेसबुक क्रिएटर स्टूडियो में जाके वैसे भी कर सकते हो, या फेसबुक बिजनेस पर जाके वैसे भी अपने इंस्टाग्राम और फेसबुक को ऑटोमेट कर सकते हो. ऑटो रेस्पॉन्डर देता है फेसबुक, फ्री में वो भी 8 से 10 आई थिंक रेस्पॉन्डर्स फ्री के अंदर देता है अभी. दैट कैन सेव यू अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम.
Okay.
यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस मेरे इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर भी ऑटो रेस्पॉन्डर है. So take that action. Now, perfecting the sales process. Now let's do this with this way. Let's do a calculation. Before I start with the perfecting the sales process, let's do a calculation. कैलकुलेशन के अंदर हम लोग ये करते हैं कि आपका जो बिजनेस है उसको अपन इस तरह से देखते हैं कि आपका जो टॉप ऑफ द फनल है, उस फनल के अंदर आप 10% इंक्रीमेंट करते हैं. 10%, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आपका अभी 1000 लोग साल में आपके पास लीड्स आ रही है, तो आप 10% इंक्रीमेंट करते हैं, यानी आपके पास अभी कितनी लीड्स हो गई? 1100. आपका जो कन्वर्जन रेट है लेट्स से 10% है, अपन उसको करते हैं 11%. 10% से उसको भी इंक्रीज करते हैं, तो 1100 लीड्स, 11% कन्वर्जन रेट. जो आपकी प्राइसिंग है उसको लेट्स से अपन 10% से इंक्रीज करते हैं. सो व्हाट एवर योर प्राइसिंग इज, उसको अपन ने 10% से, एग्जांपल 1000 रुपए है तो अपन ने कितना कर दिया? 1100. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ इंक्रीज आवर प्रॉफिट बाय 10%. लेट्स से हमारा 100 रुपए का प्रॉफिट है तो हमने 110 रुपए का उसको प्रॉफिट कर दिया. नाउ टेल मी, बाय कैलकुलेटिंग दिस, व्हाट वुड चेंज in your business and how will it impact on your bottom line? मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं आपको सिर्फ 10% हर एरिया के अंदर इंप्रूवमेंट करने की बात कर रहा हूँ, वो भी साल भर में, इमीडिएटली नहीं. हेलो,
Yes, you are audible.
so what will be the impact on your bottom line? हर एरिया में सिर्फ 10% इंप्रूवमेंट साल भर में.
think it is going to be quite impactful. I am not able to do the calculation right now, but it seems that yes, it is going to be quite impactful.
इन टोटल अगर आप सिर्फ इन 4 एरियाज के अंदर इम्पैक्टफुल करते हैं, 10% आप अपना ग्रो करते हैं फोकस करके, सिर्फ 10% होगी साल भर में, आपका बिजनेस 47% से बिना किसी एडिशनल रिसोर्सेज के ग्रो होता है. 47%. Let's talk about the perfecting the sales process. Your ability to sell your product or services and to get payment is the key to your business future. क्योंकि अगर आप फ्री के अंदर भी बहुत सारी चीजें देंगे और आपको पेमेंट ही रिसीव नहीं हो रहा है, तो विल यू बी एबल टू सस्टेन इन योर बिजनेस?
No.
You won't be able to sustain in your business, right? So what is the sales process? Sales process is consistently converts prospect into your customers, creates a great buying experience, sets the stage for resell, and generates recommendation and referrals. This is the sales process do for your business. It converts prospect into customers, create a great buying experience. It sets the stage for the resell and generates recommendation and referrals on regular basis. So there is a 7 steps in selling process. Let's talk about the 7 stages in selling process. पहला है prospecting. Speaking directly or by telephone to people who can and will buy and pay in a reasonable period of time. Leads are generated within 5 days, 7 days, 10 days, जो भी आपका एक लीड कन्वर्जन टाइम है उसके अंदर वो आपको पैसा दे सके. So prospecting, talking to those people directly. Plan the exact word you are going to say in your prospecting activities. For example, method के अंदर अगर हम लोग बात करें, फोन के ऊपर अगर हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं और आउटबाउंड कॉलिंग हम लोग कर रहे हैं, तो introduce yourself and ask questions which are aimed at the results or benefit of what you sell. For example, I am Hashim of Skypath Consultancy. Would you be interested in a way to grow your business by 30% to 300% in 12 months time? What would be your typical response to it? If I give you a call and I say like this, hi, this is Hashim from Skypath Consultancy. Would you be interested in knowing the ways to grow your business by 30% to 300% in 12 months time? Would you pause and think for it? And just an improvement by building systems.
Are we talking about cold calling over here, or somebody has given us their details?
Both of the things. इसमें ऐड ऑन हो जाएगा. ये जस्ट मैंने एग्जांपल यहाँ पर लिया है. अगर किसी ने आपको डिटेल दी है तो you would connect like this. Hi, this is Hashim from Skypath Consultancy, and this person has given me your reference. I help people in growing their business. Can I have your 3 minutes or 4 minutes जो भी time है to talk to you and discuss how I can help you grow your business?
Okay.
So you need to have a scripts for various things. There are 8 scripts that we'll be talking about, but let's talk about the stages first. तो पहला है prospecting. Plan exact word you are going to say in your prospecting activities. For example, after this webinar, me and my team is going to talk to each and every participant about how this webinar is, and we'll be taking direct feedback from everyone. Then establish rapport and trust. The prospect will not listen to you or buy from you unless she likes you and believes you that you are honest. Now, how to do that? You need to have a system in place for that. You need to know कि अगर आप बात कर रहे हैं तो कितने seconds. And by the way, अगर आप फोन पे और किसी चीज पर बात कर रहे हैं तो you have just 30 seconds to do that. So you need to get it done. You need to practice it. ताकि आपके पास में उस 30 सेकंड के अंदर 30 सेकंड के टाइम के अंदर आप सामने वाले को ये कन्विंस कर सके कि नहीं, we are the people who can help you grow your business. So you need to write down, you need to practice it. What you are going to talk to the people on the phone or on the email or on the social media. What is it that you are going to talk to them? Then how to establish a rapport and trust. Be friendly, straightforward and believable. Be punctual, prepared and properly dressed, even if you are sitting at home. Even if it is an online meeting, even if it is on call, whatever it is, be dressed properly because it gives you the confidence. Ask question and listen carefully to the answers. And make no attempt to sell until the prospect is relaxed and comfortable with you. So these are the 4 ways to establish rapport in your business with your customer. The next stage is identifying needs. This is the hinge upon which which swings the sale. अगर आप आइडेंटिफाई करने में नाकाम रहे नीड्स को, तो वो आपका कस्टमर चला जाएगा. Now how to identify needs? How would you identify needs?
By asking questions.
Correct. By asking questions. Let me correct myself as well. By asking the right questions.
Yes.
तो अगर right questions नहीं है, तो सेल नहीं होगी. So you need to give that कि right questions आपको जानना है, right questions आपको identify करना है, तो that will need practice. और दूसरा आप इसके लिए एक और चीज कर सकता है, you can ask your existing clients what made them buy from you. What is it they liked about your conversation? And this will give you the help, this will give the insight of what things you may include in your next conversation and what you can take it forward or improve upon. Ask them how you were able to identify their needs. What made them tell their needs to you? Are you with me, guys? So it's important to know which question to ask when. Ask carefully planned structured questions that you fully understand the customer situation. So these are just of the examples that we use in our conversation. I'm not giving you the entire conversation, but this is the highlight of what we use in our conversation when we talk to our business or prospects. In fact, अगर विशाल जी अगर आपको ध्यान हो, कल हमारा जब कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रहा था तो शायद इन कुछ सवालों पे हम लोग ने डिस्कशन भी किया था, isn't it?
Yes.
So what are you doing in this area? How is that work for you? What are your plans for the future in these areas? If your situation was perfect, what would it look like? What would be different? What would you have to be convinced to go ahead? ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस है जो हम हमारी सेल्स स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर, हमारे स्क्रिप्टिंग के अंदर आपको रेगुलरली यूज करना चाहिए. And this will help you generate lots and lots of insights about how your ideal customer think. Are you with me?
Yes.
So there is a direct relationship between asking question and sales success. Do you agree?
Yes, true. You have to understand first.
So plan your question word for word in advance. Make no effort to sell or talk about your product. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. So these are the 3 things that you must keep in mind while designing your sales process. You must have your questions word for word in advance. No effort to sell or talk about your product unless and until your prospect is comfortable. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Feed it back in your own words. Repeat and reaffirm to the customers that you are clear about his wants and needs. कैसे करेंगे आप? How would you do that? By sharing with them exact words. For example, the donation model. So it's great to have a donation model. It's ultimate, but what if you can add on few of the things that might help you generate additional income? Remember it?
Yes, I remember.
So feed it back to your own words, in your own words. Repeat and reaffirm to the customers that you are clear about his wants and needs. Presenting your product or service. The inner game of selling where actual sales is made. So do you have everything ready in front of you? क्या आपके ब्रोशर्स, आपके वेबसाइट के लैंडिंग पेजेस, क्या आपके सेल्स प्रेजेंटेशन सब कुछ रेडी है आपके पास? अगर नहीं है तो सबसे पहले गो बैक टू द ड्राइंग बोर्ड एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट. बिकॉज अगर कोई आपसे बोलता है कि लाओ सेंड मी दिस प्रपोजल, और अगर आपके पास रेडी नहीं है, व्हाट वुड यू डू? व्हाट विल यू डू? एट दैट टाइम यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर इट एंड दैट विल कंज्यूम टाइम. और उस टाइम में हो सकता है कि वो कस्टमर अपना डिसीजन बदल ले. होता है ऐसा?
Yes.
Yes.
So you need to have your product presentation for your product and services ready, and you need to prepare that sales presentation as well. कि आप उस 10-15 मिनट के प्रेजेंटेशन के अंदर क्या बात करने वाले हैं, वो भी आपके पास में रेडी होनी चाहिए. Now presenting your product or service, repeat back the specific needs or concern that your product has expressed. Position yourself as a trusted advisor dedicated to help him to solve his problem or achieve his goal with your product. Position yourself as a teacher, showing her or him how your product works to help him satisfy their needs. Match the customer's express needs and concern to your product or services. How often do we keep these things in mind? While presenting our products and services. Yes, no, maybe?
Sometimes.
Great. So from now onwards, keep these things in mind every single time. Now focus on helping rather than selling. Continue to ask for feedback. How does this sound so far? Is this sort of things you are looking for? Conclude your presentation with an explanation of how your product is delivered or used. Invite question. Do you have any question or concern that I have
It's not
not
visible.
covered? Hello?
The presentation is not visible. To me at least.
Is it visible now?
There is a blank screen coming. I don't know.
There is nothing blank. Everybody can see the presentation.
No, blank screen.
What has happened to this?
Now it's visible.
Now is it visible to all?
Yes.
Continually ask for the feedback. How does this sound so far? is the sort of things that you are looking for. Conclude your presentation with an explanation of how the product is delivered or used. Invite questions. Do you have any questions or concern that I haven't covered so far? Now, when you do this, what happens? When you ask feedback from your prospective customer, what happens in customer's mind? So when I ask you for the feedback, what goes into your mind? Awaiting responses.
If something is lacking, for sure you talk about it, and if you are getting good value, then you say the same.
Got it? Answering objections. Almost all customers will have questions, concern and misunderstanding about your product. So what do you do about it? अभी तक जितनी भी सेल्स स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर जितने भी ऑब्जेक्शंस आपके पास में आए हैं, make a note of all those objections and think of the answers that you can give in order to minimize those objections. The major जो objections आते हैं कई बार वो होता है it's too costly, I don't have time, I don't have resources. आते हैं ऐसे objections हम सबको? At some point of
Yes.
time we all must have got these are the major objections that come into the picture. What if आप पहले से ही इन ऑब्जेक्शंस के लिए प्रिपेयर्ड है और पहले से ही आप बोलते हैं कि ना दिस इज हाउ वी डील विद. फॉर एग्जांपल 9 week program is priced at 10,000. People often ask, this is at the higher end, it's costly, I don't have money right now, कोरोना की वजह से हमारा बिजनेस डाउन है. So how do we handle this question? How do we handle this particular objection? So one way of doing that is we give them prospect the value that they get. Now what would be more important, investing 10,000 to 3x your business or leaving this opportunity and stay the same? So if you 3x your business, your 10,000 investment is already covered. But if you don't make this 10,000 investment right now, you won't be able to 3x your business. And that might impact your lifestyle and your way of working. How this sounds to you? This is one of the examples. There are a lot of things that we have worked upon. There are 30 questions that we have worked upon. मेन ऑब्जेक्शन जो आते हैं वो 30 मेन ऑब्जेक्शंस आते हैं और इन 30 मेन ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडलिंग क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग ने संग्रह किया है, जमा किया है और उसके लिए हम लोग ने आंसर प्रिपेयर किया है. इफ यू वांट वी कैन शेयर दैट विद यू और उसके बिहाफ पे आप लोग भी अपना जो ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडलिंग है उसको प्रॉपर कर सकते हो. Now answering objections. Make a list of common objections you receive or are likely to receive. Use the sentence completion method to identify objections. At the top of sheet of the paper, write these words. We could sell to every qualified prospect as long as she don't say price is too high, don't say I don't have time, didn't say I don't have the resources, didn't say I don't have the business, didn't say I don't have the technical knowledge. So we could sell to every qualified prospect as long as she didn't say. What is it? Complete the sentence and I want you to do it right now. क्या ऑब्जेक्शंस आपके लाइफ में आएंगे, आते हैं और आप एंटिसिपेट करते हैं कि दिस माइट बी द ऑब्जेक्शंस. Now after this program many of you would want to increase your prices. तो जब increase of prices होगा ऑब्जेक्शन भी increase होंगे. So you need to answer those things right away. Let me know once you have done this exercise. Done? Shall we move?
Yes.
By the way, how are you feeling after doing this activity? Closing the sale. Top salespeople plan their closes in advance. So we have developed around 23 different methods to close the sale. Products and services are sold, not bought. Learn and memorize at least 7 ways to close the sale word for word. Example, if you like it, why don't you give it a try? If you have no further question, the next step is, if you'll just authorize this, we'll get started right away. The most important word in selling and in closing is the word ask. Ask, always ask the customer for a decision of some kind. How many of you can follow this right now? Hello?
Yes, I am here.
So if you like it, why don't you give it a try? So learn and memorize at least 7 ways to close the sale word for word. Now this will help you counter the objection any person might be having. And always ask the customer for decision of some kind. These are few of the things that you must remember by closing the sales. How many ways do you have existing in your business to close a sale? Yes, guys.
None in my case, as I told you yesterday as well.
Got it. I'm talking about others as well. We have got few people online. Would like to know their responses as well. Getting resales and referrals. All successful business is built on satisfying customers who buy again. अगर कस्टमर वापस नहीं आएगा तो क्या होगा? एग्जाम्पल, आपने 2000 रुपए खर्च किए एक कस्टमर को लाने में और उसको एक बार आपने क्लोज किया, फिर नया कस्टमर लाने के लिए आपको 2000 रुपए लगाने पड़ेंगे। पर अगर आपका पास वो कस्टमर आपके साथ में हैप्पी है तो वो बिना 2000 लगाए आपके पास कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। और इन मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस अगर वो रेफरेंस देता है, अगर हैप्पी कस्टमर है, जो हम नेक्स्ट सेशन के अंदर बातचीत करेंगे जिसके बारे में, तो अगर हैप्पी कस्टमर है आपका और वो आपको रेफरल देता है तो रेफरल इज लाइक वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, एंड वर्ड ऑफ माउथ इज मोस्ट पावरफुल टूल टुडे फॉर एनी बिजनेस इन एनी सेंचुरी। तो अगर वो रेफरल देता है और उसके रेफरल से आप आपके लीड को 30% ज्यादा जल्दी क्लोज कर पाएंगे और प्लस उसके लिए आपको एक्स्ट्रा इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। सो व्हेन यू फॉलो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, when you have a resale and referral system in place as well, you generate a lot of leads, and when you have a lot of leads, you have a lot of business, isn't it? So getting resale and referrals based on these things, you must consider doing all these things when you work on getting your resale or referrals. Treat every prospect even before he buys the first time as a long-term multi-year customer. Give prompt, punctual, polite service at the time of the sale and ever afterwards. Ask for testimonials from satisfied customers. Ask for referrals from satisfied customers and even prospects who don't buy at all. Report back to the source of referrals who buys from you. अगर कोई रेफर करता है और कोई आपसे खरीदता है तो उनको आप प्लीज बताइए कि इतने लोगों ने या इन लोगों ने मुझसे परचेज किया है। Send a thank you note or gift to someone who sends you a customer. That will make them feel valued, and जब आपको वैल्यू फील होता है आप हमेशा आउट ऑफ द वे जाके कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करते हैं। Agree on this? So when you want to get resale and referrals for your business, follow this particular stages, follow this system, and you will have lot of referrals and resale happening in your business. Bonus, leave nothing to the chance. Write out complete sales scripts and have each salesperson memorize it. Complete the sales script. Planned, rehearse sales scripts, generate 3 times the number of sales as unplanned dialogue. Continually rewrite and improve each part of the sales conversation. There are 11 parts to a sales script. जो 9-week program होता है उसके अंदर हम लोग cover करते हैं. There are 11 parts to the sales scripts. Determine the weakest part of 7-step sales process and focus on improving the area first. Never stop improving your sales process. It can make you rich. Why? Why improving your sales process can make you rich?
Improving the sales process means you will be able to sell more.
Of course, if you sell more, what will happen? You will have more money coming in. You will have more profits. And when you have more profits, you will become rich, isn't it? There are 8 specific sales scripts you must have in your business. Appointment setting scripts, pre-sale scripts, approach scripts, interview scripts, product presentation scripts, overcoming objection scripts, closing scripts, and first visit advantage scripts or decisive action bonus script. So if you take action today, we'll give you this as a bonus. So these are the 8 specific scripts you must have in your business. You can take a screenshot of this. So what one action you are going to take immediately as a result of your answers to the above questions? Yes, guys, what one action you are going to take? And would you like to systematize your business and grow by 30 to 300% in next 12 months? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, you are visible.
Got it.
But I think it is jammed. It is not moving.
Sorry?
It is not moving. There is a still screen.
Your screen is freezed.
Okay, just hold on for a second. Can you all see now?
It is the same. It is freezed. It is still.
Still, it's freezed.
Can you see the changes now?
Yes, it's visible now.
Okay, great. So just given an example of this, the ultimate business growth kit, the presentation that we have worked upon. This growth kit is featured in various newspapers like Yahoo, News 18, Business Standards, Times of India, Wall Street Sentinel, ANI, and other 50 plus news publications for its popularity in helping business growing their business. Now, what will you get in this awesome growth kit? 12 hours of video training, 12 hours of video training on Amazon, video training on strategies on how to grow your business and economy, 2 business opportunities framework so that you can find out new niche in your business, 12 checklists to boost your business systems, 6 worksheets to plan your business for growth, questionnaire and survey to manage your expectations from business and customers, sales calling scripts, 1300 plus email sequence and templates, client follow-up scripts, Instagram sales scripts, LinkedIn sales scripts, WhatsApp sales scripts, 20 plus objection handling questions with answers, business plan guide plus 28 business plan templates, the ultimate marketing planner, 52 weeks of social media calendar, 4,000 plus ready to use presentation templates that you can use for your sales presentation, super productivity hack ebook to 2x your productivity, 60 plus business letters, 30 plus management information systems to keep you informed every single time, 140 plus HR forms and checklist, 1100 plus hiring documents, 10 plus performance management processes, 70 plus employee onboarding and compensation documents, inventory management templates, 40 plus invoice billing templates, ultimate meeting planner. Everything just for INR 2,997. Plus the recording of entire 3-day training that we are doing right now. So would you like to go for 30 to 300% growth in your business? Or would you like to ignore this offer and stay the same? Would you like to save hours of time that will help you with that will be saved after taking this growth kit, or you are going to start building everything from scratch every single time? What is it that you are going to do? It's your call. Plus, additionally, if you buy right now, we'll give you 4 personalized one-on-one improvement sessions where we will help you design, not only design, plus also review that you are going it in the right direction or not. So it's for today. Would you like to stay the same or grow your business by 30 to 300% in 12 months time with an investment of 2,997, and which will come up as, अगर हम लोग इसको 12 महीने में डिवाइड करते हैं तो 250 रुपए per month. Isn't 250 rupees per month is a worth of investment to get your business around 300% growth? So what are you waiting for? Go grab your growth kit right now. So this is the live example that I have given right now, is one of the basic scripts that we follow for our presentation. Now, as we come to the end of this program session today, do you have any questions? And I would like to know your feedback as well. About this session. So how was it session for all of you? What did you learn? What are the things you are going to take home today from this particular session? And how was it? I would like to have a genuine feedback of yours. And it would be great if you can switch on your videos and give me the feedbacks. So this is all from my side today. Thank you very much for being on this webinar. Yes, go ahead.
The session is definitely good to introspect again related to marketing and sales system. For sales, it is a different process for me altogether, so therefore I don't have much to say about it. For sure, related to marketing, I mean the way you have designed it, lot of questions, lot of activities to work upon, so that the person can get into insight whether he is doing sufficient things or not. The person may be able to understand very clearly. So definitely it's a good training, no doubt about it, Ashim.
Great, Vishalji. Thank you very much for your feedback. I would like to have feedback from other participants as well. Hussain Bhai and others, if you would like to give your feedback. What was your learning today?
Hello.
Yes, we can hear you, Hussain Bhai.
Sometimes it's like we are just doing the business, but we don't look at the processes that can make us grow. We just go on and go and keep doing it. So these sessions have made us realize of the some of the things we need to really work upon. So thank you so much for that.
Thank you for your feedback. I would be more interested in knowing what are the things that you are taking home. What are the things you have taken and what are the actions you people are taking in order to grow your business immediately? And do you have any questions?
How to get in touch with people using LinkedIn?
Okay, so there are multiple ways to do it. सबसे पहला ये है कि you can ask, you can दिन के अंदर आप 4-5 रिक्वेस्ट आप जो आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस है उनको आप भेज सकते हो और जब वो भेजने के बाद you can write 3 different kind of messages for them. एक पहला इनविटेशन मैसेज, जब आप इनविटेशन देते हैं तो क्या मैसेज आप देंगे लिंक्डइन के ऊपर सो दैट दीज पीपल एक्सेप्ट योर इनविटेशन. सो पहला इनविटेशन मैसेज. सेकंड जो मैसेज है, वंस दे हैव एक्सेप्टेड योर इनविटेशन, व्हाट इज इट यू आर गोइंग टू गिव देम. राइट, डायरेक्टली आप रिलेशनशिप बिल्डिंग करने के लिए क्या देंगे उनको? Something for free, something kind of a lead magnet. What is it that you are going to share with them? Whatever it is, not a sale thing, just a lead magnet kind of a thing, so that these people feel valuable and you build your intention and relationship straight away. Third, if they give some kind of referrals or they respond to your message, what is it that you are going to respond to them? So तीसरा, ये ऐसे 3 अलग-अलग मैसेज के ऊपर 3 अलग लेवल पे मैसेजेस आप डिजाइन कीजिए और कनेक्शन बिल्ड करना शुरू कीजिए. So this is the fastest way to grow your network. And again, you must not forget to post at least 2 to 3 times daily on the LinkedIn.
So do we have scripts for these as well?
Yeah, we have the scripts for these as well.
Okay. Okay. No more questions from my side.
Got it. Anyone else having any questions? Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for being on this session today with me, giving me your 3.5 hours time. Thank you very much. See you at 3 p.m. for the last and final session of the day on how to deliver awesome customer service. Thank you very much. See you at 3 p.m.
Thanks a lot, Rashid. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.